Pumpkin. Carving pumpkins is a classic fall activity. You can create a lot of designs. You can use small or medium pumpkins as centerpieces for dining tables. But instead of carving, you can engrave them. How? I will show you. Safety first. This is Laser Engraver from Laser Picker. Find your pumpkin design and let your laser do the work. You can make larger or smaller designs and engrave them on your pumpkin vase. You can repeat this process as you like. You can add leaves and engrave some message to bring a bit autumn magic indoors. And this is how it turned out. Let's finish to decorate it. You can use some autumn flowers like sunflowers, dried flowers, or artificial flowers like I did. Be creative and you will have amazing home decor for fall season, bringing a warm and festive touch. Engrave larger pumpkins outdoors to create a welcoming ambience. So guys, let me know, how did you like this pumpkin themed craft project? And leave the comment. And thank you Laser Picker for such a great tool. I love it. See you in my next videos. Bye!